Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Abbeville. I just heard a train blowing a horn south of Abbeville. So I'm walking up the hill to where it used to be a highway road crossing here. But that was probably back in the 30s. Because they built Highway 72 way over there. You can see the bridge for it. And that was in 32 or something like that. I got the builder's plaque off the old bridge. It's at my mama's house. I hadn't read it in a while. Alright. So I'm going to come up here. It's still a distance from me. I haven't checked the signals out. That's Greenwood direction. It's 13 miles away. This is the downhill section of the track. Probably about a mile away is a creek at the bottom of the hill, and it rolls downhill to that. All the way from the north end. South end. So it pulls the grade and it gets to Highway 72, and that's about 3 miles from the depot area, or the 440 milepost marker. Alright, we got red over red over red, which is a stop signal. Southbound north end of Abbeville, so nothing's coming from behind me. Or if anything does come, I see a headlight popping up. Let me zoom in a little bit and see if that. It looks like auto racks. I think he's on the main line. Bottom end just came around the corner down there at the yard office. Not there anymore. Of course, the yard is gone too. You have one track left out of the yard. So he's a northbounder. He's actually a southbound train. He's going northbound on the Monroe sub. And he just came off the Atlanta sub, which goes between about 2 miles away to Atlanta. The Monroe sub goes all the way up to Monroe, North Carolina, and I think it goes over to Hamlet and terminates there. I'm not sure. I don't remember my tracker's rights or anything on that. So anyway, this southbound train, he comes out of Cincinnati. He goes down to Atlanta. He makes a left turn there, and he's basically headed east. Because even though this is a north-south track, it runs east to west. Basically from Greenwood to Atlanta, it's running east and west. So this would be an eastbound train, but he's really a southbounder. And he's on a north-south track. He's going a northbound direction at this point. And then when he leaves Casey, South Carolina, he of course is doing the opposite direction. He becomes a northbound train, and along through here he's actually going south. So you can understand the confusion. I think he's pulled up and stopped. I don't know. I can't tell if he's come any closer or not. Well, let me pause it because I might have to walk down to the depot, get any more action. Alright, thank you. Alright, I walked down here to the depot area, and he started pulling out. He must have got my clear signal. It's a little short train, 2 engines, 3 cars. Thank you, and a friendly engineer. 947 ES 4488, 3197 ES 4488. Trains from Mexico, BNSF, Burlington Norman, Santa Fe. Alright, this is the first train for today. Hopefully I get more. Let me get my fingers out of the way. Alright, God bless y'all, love y'all, hope you have fun. I am. Thank you. It's a nice cool day.